Hey everyone, friends, Eller here on the channel. Today I'll show you how to share games on Steam. To do this, I open Steam, go to Settings, then Family, and click Create to make a family group. I click Create Family Group. Enter the family group name here, click Create, and now we add a group member. So I'll add my other account. If it's not here, you can search your friends list. There it is. I'll click here and invite them as an adult, let's say. And here we have the library. So here we select which games we want to share. Right, so we just click and share. There. So all these games in the library are now shared, meaning the other person can play them. Now I'll switch to that account. So I've logged into the other account, and here I can see I've been invited to the family group. Click confirm, okay, and enter the code that comes to our email address. There. Well, so I logged in, and I have again. All right. There. And after logging in, after entering the code, we join the group. There. And so here we have a library, and we can play these games. So I go to the library, and there you go. Here are all the games. When we click on a game that's not in this account, right? Then we have a game from your library, from the family group, right? That is from my main account, well, or a friend's account, or whoever's. Doesn't matter. That's it. This was Eller. Bye, everyone.